Hello my wonderful people, and welcome to yet another tutorial on how to make money online. Today we look at a new platform called CleverX. Now if you've already heard about the platform, well, they are a survey platform paying you to do surveys and get money. And I'm not talking about these normal surveys that pay you $5, $10. No, this platform pays you good money. And watch towards the end as I'll be showing you different forms of payment methods that they have. Now, I don't have an account in this platform, so also I'm going to be signing up so that also I can try my luck on this platform. I've been having so many people asking me, do you have an account in this platform? So for this one, I don't have the account. I also want to give it a try, but I've seen the reviews are good. Also, this is something that you can try if you also want to get something from it. I've seen so many of you saying that they have gotten a good knowledge from my channel, and I'm so happy if you have gotten something. And again, if you want to be trained on how to get these platforms, also remember skills are so important. So anyway, this is how you sign up. First of all, go to CleverX and click sign up. If you don't have a Gmail account, you may want to create one, and I'm strongly going to recommend, if you would consider using a proxy, creating this platform. I shared yesterday IP Royal proxy. Go check it out. The link is there in the description to get a good proxy. Also, you will need a US number for this platform. Now, for my sake, I wanted to show you that this platform can take anyone from any country. So make sure first of all you have a LinkedIn account, so that you may increase your chances of getting a good account. Now for me, I have a LinkedIn account, so let me go copy the URL or the link to my profile. So if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, go create one. If you know you want to state your location is in the US, make sure you do that before you create it. Anyway, for me, I'm going to be real in this video. I'm going to say I'm in Kenya because apparently I want to also show you don't need to apply these platforms all the time saying you are in the US. You can even say you are in Kenya. So for my case here, because they are hiring all of them, I'm going to create one and say I'm in Kenya. So this one gave me a problem, but anyway, I managed to skip it, and it was able to upload my details. Make sure you use www.linkedin.com/in and then put your details there, because without that, it will not be able to capture your details. Then of course, you're going to select the industry that you're interested. On this part, just be creative. For me, I tried freelancing. I could not see anything, but I never gave up. I looked for other means. Remember, this is also my first time creating this one, but I've seen the reviews are good. So I don't want you to also go fearing, because I've already seen some of these reviews are good. So let's continue. Now I've selected some of these industries that I feel I'm good in. So let me try. Of course, I'm going to go with alphabet so that I can see which one works for me. Now, since the video, I didn't want to make it long and boring, I like going straight to the point. So I'm going to just select a few of these. Of course, by the end of this video, I may consider deleting this account and creating a US account, because apparently sometimes the US ones, we all know, they get the best jobs, and also they get the easy jobs. So anyway, for this part, you click like that, select your rate. For me, I see they're saying 60 to 84, so let me select 60. Okay, that's it. And then of course the location. So if you are going to select a city, you must select a city here. So I tried Kenya, but it could not show anything, and then until I noticed that you have to select the city. So if your proxy says California, go for California. New York, go for New York. If you don't have a proxy, also you can ask for good proxies. I've seen some of you are using proxies that are not consistent. Now, consistency is the key for this platform, because if your proxy is leaking, then you will not be able to get. So anyway, I selected Nairobi, Kenya, and there we have it. I have an account with CleverX. So if you don't have anything, so far so good. This one is a platform that can also get you some money and get you rolling, because apparently I checked. Also, I got to check the jobs. So In this one, let me see the jobs that are going to pop up. It's good to give them a review so that I can also see the surveys that are posted. So I can see on the top there, fund research opportunities. So far so good. They have matched my profile according to my location. They're saying survey. If in the US, you can see the US one $60. But since I'm in Kenya, they say they want somebody who has been an agent for insurance. So apparently, I've been an agent one time when I was searching for jobs. So I worked for some insurance company. So I can apply this one because this is just a survey that they're going to ask me how I did the sales. So also you can see if you make a US. I have a strong feeling for the US or for the UK profile because I have seen they are selecting you regardless of the location. So that means the more you do the surveys, the more your profile gets to be ranked higher. So you can see even here, you need to verify your mobile number. So here you're going to pick a number again, just checking around to see what is their payment method. Remember, this is also my first time, so trying to navigate to see where they get paid. I believe it should be in the place written wallet. So here it's just some rates on my dashboard. So also you can customize your dashboard to make it look fancy like mine. Apparently they got the details from my profile. So I might consider also leaving this profile for some time just to see how well it's going to capture the jobs. So let's look at the payment method. Okay, so I see some place there written wallet. Yeah, let's go there. We have payouts, payment methods, and almost if you want to see, is this one paying through the methods that I want? So you can add funds, you can withdraw. Let me select the country first and see. We select Kenya. Of course, this one can also work in India, in Nigeria, in US, every part of the country. You can select. So you can see PayPal, gift card, Stripe, Visa. These are platforms that can pay you via those payment methods. So don't waste time. The link is there in the description. Go try your luck. I always say if I see an opportunity, I'll share with you guys so that you also get to make some money in 2025. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. This is the only way we get to support each other. Now, in case you also want classes, make sure you check the last part of the video to see the details there. Thank you so much. Be blessed.